7 steps of how you go through appealing an insurance claim denial. If you receive a denial from your insurance company, you have the right to appeal that decision. A denial can be something as simple as your doctor may not have provided the information to your insurance company that they needed to make that approval, or the diagnosis code did not match the appropriate test that was ordered. So don't just accept that denial, fight it. Step 1, find out why your claim was denied. Before you submit an appeal, you need to understand why it was denied. You can request that letter from your insurance company. It may be because the inappropriate documentation was provided by your doctor's office. Your plan may not cover the service that you are asking for. The service may have been deemed medically not necessary. That word literally for me is like nails on a chalkboard. Your plan may not cover that provider, or you've reached the maximum coverage of your plan. Step 2, contact your insurance company to ask about the appeals process and the steps that you need to take to do so. You'll need to follow these steps very carefully. Step 3 is call your doctor. If the appropriate paperwork was not submitted or the inappropriate code was provided, your doctor can submit that to get the claim overturned. And if the claim was denied for another reason, you can let your doctor know that you plan on filing an appeal, and your doctor can help you do that. I try to fight for any appeal that I feel like is unnecessary for any of my patients. Step 4 is collect all the paperwork that you need for the appeal. That may be the denial letter, office visits notes, bills, and other documents related to the service, your summary of benefits from your insurance company, or any other paperwork that you plan to submit on your behalf. Remember, you are your biggest advocate. Step 5 is submitting an internal appeal. That's a claim directly to your insurance company, asking them to overturn that decision. Even though you may be angry or upset, trust me, I am too. Leave your emotions out of that letter and explain exactly why you need coverage. Step 6 is wait for the results of the internal appeal. That may take up to 30 days, and if it's an urgent appeal for an urgent matter, they have to give you a decision within 72 hours. If the internal appeal is denied, step 7 is to file an external appeal. You can submit your case to an independent third party for an external appeal. That's someone that doesn't work for the insurance company that can review your case and give a decision. More information on how to do that should be in your explanation of benefits. And remember, an external appeal costs your insurance company money. The more claims that go through the external appeal may mean better coverage in the future for that particular procedure. That's a 100-foot view on how many patients that file external appeals can actually overturn policy coverage on a particular procedure.